Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is just my wig care maintenance routine, basically just a tutorial on how to wash and maintain your wigs, especially lace wigs. So I start by using this Pantene shampoo. It is one of my favorites when it comes to wigs. Between it and Tresemme, they have one of the best products for washing and maintaining wigs. So usually I'll let the wig sit in the water for just a couple of minutes and then I'll just wash it. So I just add some shampoo to the water and then let it sit in for about 30 minutes and then I will wash it. So usually go in with 3 cycles of washing and then rinsing, washing and then rinsing, and then finally for the last time I'll wash and rinse.
I'm taking my own freedom, putting it in my song, singing loud and strong, moving all day long.
And then the most important part is obviously the lace. So a lot of the focus should be on washing the front part of the lace because that's the part that you're going to glue down and that's going to be visible in front. So I like to take my time with it. I'll use shampoo and then usually basically just scratch, if I could put it that way, and rub on the lace just to make sure that all the foundation and everything else is gone and removed, whatever I might have applied there, except obviously if you're bleaching your wigs or bleaching the knots, that is kind of a bit permanent, so it won't really remove. So I always make sure that I go in at least 2 times or 3 times on the lace wig front. So another tip is, if you still have some lace glue on the lace, use exfoliating gloves to remove it. Also, dishwashing liquid works wonders if you cannot get the glue off the lace, but I think a shampoo just works perfectly with warm water or hot water. So once I'm done washing the lace front, I'll just drain out the water and then move over to rinse the wig. And once I'm done rinsing the wig, I will then move over to conditioning.
I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go.
So then I'm moving on to the next part, which I mentioned is to condition. I'm using this moisture renewal from Pantene Pro V, one of the best, and it honestly smells so good. It leaves your wigs smelling really amazing. I know a lot of wigs, especially when they're new, they have this wig factory smell that's horrible, but I trust Pantene to fix that. So I'm then gonna go in with the conditioner. So usually I'll just pour some water, usually about lukewarm or cold water, which is the best for conditioning. So I don't really condition with very hot water. And then I'll move over to so usually when I condition, I use about lukewarm water or cold water. I don't really use hot water to condition. I think it's the best when it's cold, so that the conditioner can really seep into the hair shafts and condition the hair. And usually I'll just like distribute the conditioner throughout so that it covers the whole wig, and then I'll leave it for about 30 minutes. I mean, you can leave it for longer, but I don't recommend leaving it for longer than an hour. I think it dries the wig, in my opinion. But yeah, I'll just leave it for about 30 minutes and then come back to rinse it out. Honestly, Pantene is one of the best products to use, especially if your wigs are new. A lot of wigs, especially the ones that come straight from the factories in China, they have this I don't know, like a factory manufacturing smell, and I think it irritates a lot of people. So between Pantene and Tresemme, those products are literally my holy grails. And then I will rinse the wig, and at this point it is so soft. As you can see, my fingers are running through, and I'll use a Danwen brush. They call it a detangling brush as well, just to detangle the hair, because it's better to detangle while the hair is wet compared to when it's dry. I've noticed when you detangle wigs that are dry, you lose a lot of the hair, or there's a lot of shedding, if I could put it that way. But that also depends on the quality of your wigs. But I really recommend detangling your wigs while they are wet and conditioned. So as you guys can see, I'm done with the detangling process, and there is not a lot of shedding. Honestly, that's why I recommend to detangle your hair at this step of, this final step of washing your hair, compared to detangling it while it's still dry. And I've already done an installation video of this wig. I will link it up in the cards if you need a tutorial. But basically, after I let it dry for the rest of the day, I'll just hair dry it and then prep the wig on a mannequin, and then I'll install it. I have a video that you guys can check out. And then I'll just go in and straighten the hair. So I've already straightened it on the mannequin, but I'll just do a couple of touch-ups. This straightener is from Take a Lot, but I also recommend the Tony and Guy straightener. It's one of the best and gets your hair silky smooth. Always use a heat protectant in this step. I recommend the Tresemme one. It's honestly the best. And there you have it, guys. That is the process of how to wash and maintain your wigs. Like I said, I have an installation tutorial that I'll link up in the cards for you guys to check out, of this very same look or wig. Honestly, the process is simple and easy if you use the right products to get your wig to look as silky and smooth as possible. So a lot of wigs need a lot of maintenance, and it's all about your technique and maintaining it so that it actually lasts for quite a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more wig care videos and installation videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.